you want to know what's going on under there? It's basically
dogs and cats living together, mass hysteria.
into equal sides by hitting it up against something else, but I mean it's dead, so it should do it, but apparently it's not dead enough.
Well, y'all, I guess that's a wrap. We're done with this one. This was a job. I mean, this was a job. We cut down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cut down 6 trees, or if you want to call them trees, and hauled everything away.
And a ton of briars.
Yeah, a ton of briars, ton of vines, and we had what, four trailer loads?
5.
So anyway, I'm gonna have Nate pick the camera up and just pan around and show you what we got left here. Like I said, this was a job. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the content. Please hit the like button, click the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. And also, I've got some merch coming, some other merch coming that I'll be telling you about at another time, so just stay tuned. This is Brian with Big South Outdoors TV saying live big, live southern, and live outdoors. Have a good day, folks.